A female bear arrives, with cubs in tow. This is no place for her little ones. Male bears will kill a cub that gets in their way. She heads upstream, to a place she knows well. Now, she does something bears rarely do. She leaves her cubs and sets out into the deepest part of the river. 200 feet from shore, she disappears completely. Abandoned, her helpless cubs don't know when or if she'll be back. 20 feet down at the bottom of the river, exhausted salmon are out of reach of most predators, but not from her. This is rare behavior. Only a few bears know how to dive. "10,000 calories of delicious protein." The cubs are still too young to dive for themselves. For now, the most important thing is they pack on the pounds and triple their body weight before winter's hibernation.